Hey, so this is my comparison on 22-inch sound creation. Badass mother. 22-inch sound creation and a 20-inch 602. 20-inch 602 with rivets. Old Blue Label. I want to show you some other fun ones for the heck of it while I'm here. This is an old, these were made by Wuhan, I think, and then Meinl finished them off. The old Dragon series. This is a ride, but I use it as a crash because it has no bell. It's got a horrible bell, or dark bell. This is an old beat up paiste Ludwig 3-star with rivets. This thing is bad. I love this thing. And this is a old Wuhan that was cut down. The ridge was cut off, and a couple crack marks that I fixed. But I mean, these are actually kind of my favorite because they're low budget. But this is the Wuhan. That's badass. And then the Ludwig, real soft. And then this sounds like a real China. If you've ever seen these, they made these for a little while, Japanese Afro, and they're kind of like little rudes. They got the greatest sound. Alright, so here's these are loud. I don't know how they're going to sound, but there's the sound creation. Of course, the 602 is real deep.